What you're about to discover will fundamentally change how you think about AI, work, and the future of human productivity. Because while everyone was debating whether AI would replace jobs, the smartest companies in the world were quietly building something far more powerful. AI agents that don't just answer questions, they take action. 3 days ago, OpenAI dropped a bombshell that sent shockwaves through Silicon Valley. They unveiled Agent Kit, a complete toolkit that transforms how we build, deploy, and control AI agents. But here's what the headlines missed. This isn't just another AI tool. This is the infrastructure for an entirely new economy. Think about this. Ramp, a major financial company, went from having an idea for a buyer agent to a working prototype in just hours. Not days, not weeks, hours. And they cut their iteration cycles by 2/3. LI Corporation stood up a multi-agent assistant in under 2 hours by letting domain experts and engineers co-design live. This is the speed of change we're dealing with. While traditional software development takes months, AI agents are being deployed in hours. But let's dig deeper into what makes this so revolutionary. Agent Kit consists of 3 core components that work together like a perfectly orchestrated symphony. First, the Agent Builder, a visual canvas where engineers and subject matter experts can sketch multi-agent flows, compare versions, and preview runs with inline evaluations. Imagine being able to design complex AI workflows as easily as drawing a flowchart. Second, the Connector Registry, a centralized hub for data access to services like Google Drive, Microsoft 365, and Teams. Administrators can grant and revoke permissions in one place, solving the nightmare of AI security that has kept enterprise adoption slow. Third, ChatKit, a production-ready chat interface with threads, streaming, and readable reasoning panes that make agent behavior completely auditable. For the first time, you can actually see how an AI agent thinks and makes decisions. But here's where it gets really interesting. While OpenAI was building tools to create agents, Google was solving one of the biggest problems in software: security vulnerabilities. Meet CodeMender, Google's AI agent that automatically finds, fixes, and prevents bugs across massive code bases. In just 6 months, this system has upstreamed dozens of fixes to major open-source AI projects, including repositories with millions of lines of code. Here's the mind-blowing part. CodeMender doesn't just flag problems like traditional security tools. It actually writes the fixes, validates them through multiple testing methods, and then submits them for human review. We're talking about an AI that can untangle heap overflow reports that hide deeper lifetime bugs and patch custom code generation systems. The implications are staggering. Software security, which has been a constant battle for decades, is about to get an AI-powered upgrade that could eliminate entire classes of vulnerabilities before they ever reach production. And then there's Gemini 2.5 computer use, Google's latest model that can actually operate real user interfaces. This isn't just about chatbots anymore. We're talking about AI that can click, type, scroll, fill forms, and even make purchases with human confirmation. Early benchmarks show this model completing tasks faster than competitors without sacrificing reliability. Teams are reporting real gains in automated UI testing and data entry, tasks that have traditionally required human intervention. Think about what this means. AI agents that can navigate any website, use any software, and complete any digital task that a human can do. The boundary between human and machine capability just got a lot blurrier. But here's what's really happening beneath the surface. We're witnessing the emergence of what researchers call agentic AI, artificial intelligence that doesn't just process information, but takes autonomous action in the real world. The data tells the story. OpenAI's latest models have reduced political bias by 30% compared to previous versions. Production traffic shows very few responses exhibit problematic signals. This isn't just about making AI smarter. It's about making AI more trustworthy and reliable for real-world deployment. And the economic implications are staggering. A new Harvard Business School study reveals that Americans would automate about 30% of occupations at current AI capability levels. If AI performance improves and costs decrease, that number jumps to nearly 60%. But here's the nuance that most people miss. only about 12% of jobs remain off-limits on moral grounds, primarily caregiving, therapy, and spiritual leadership. This suggests that the AI revolution isn't about wholesale replacement, but about augmentation and transformation. So what does all this mean for you right now today? If you're a business owner, the companies that adopt agentic AI first will have an insurmountable advantage. We're talking about productivity gains that make the difference between thriving and becoming obsolete. If you're a developer, the tools you use to build software are about to become exponentially more powerful. AI agents will handle routine tasks, fix security issues, and even write code, freeing you to focus on innovation and creativity. If you're in any knowledge work profession, understanding how to work alongside AI agents isn't optional. It's essential for remaining relevant in the next decade. But here's what we haven't talked about yet, and it's the most important part of this story. While these AI breakthroughs are creating unprecedented opportunities, they're also creating unprecedented risks. The same technology that can automate beneficial tasks can be weaponized in ways we're only beginning to understand. Soon we'll explore the dark side of the AI agent revolution, the security vulnerabilities, the potential for misuse, and the race between AI safety and AI capability that will determine the future of human civilization. Because the question isn't whether AI agents will transform our world. They already are. The question is whether we'll control them, or they'll control us.